Understanding Political Successor, a guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing aspect of the English language, especially when it comes to politics. We're going to explore the meaning and significance of the term political successor. This phrase is crucial for understanding how leadership transitions occur within political contexts. So, whether you're learning English, keen on political science, or just curious, this video will shed light on this important concept. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, political and successor. The word political relates to government, public affairs, or the administration of a country. Meanwhile, a successor is a person who succeeds another by taking over their position or role. When combined, a political successor is someone who takes over a political position, role, or leadership from another person. A political successor plays a critical role in ensuring the continuity of governance and leadership. This can happen in various ways, such as through elections, appointments, or inheritance in monarchies. The successor might continue the policies of their predecessor or introduce new directions for the government or party they represent. Understanding who becomes a political successor and how it happens is key to grasping the dynamics of political systems around the world. To bring this concept to life, let's look at some examples. In democratic countries, a political successor is often elected through general elections, like the transfer of presidential power in the United States. In other cases, a successor might be appointed in parliamentary systems, where the leader of the majority party becomes the prime minister. There are also instances of political successors in monarchies, although these are less about political power today and more about ceremonial succession. Understanding the concept of a political successor is crucial for several reasons. It helps us comprehend how leadership transitions are managed within different political systems and the potential impact on a country's direction and policies. It also highlights the importance of stability and continuity in governance, which is essential for a country's development and the well-being of its citizens. We hope this video has helped you grasp the concept of a political successor, and why it's a significant term in both the English language and the realm of politics. Remember, understanding terms like this can enrich your language skills and broaden your understanding of global affairs. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay curious, and keep learning.